Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow private messaging in Game Center on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then here we tap on Content Restrictions. And then go down to the Game Center section and tap on Private Messaging. On the next screen, choose Allow or Don't Allow. It's saying that this allowing prevents you from sending custom messages to other players and using voice chat in games. And that's it. Now tap on the back key to go back to Settings. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.